Hey everyone, today we're going to dive into a face-off between two of the biggest AI players, Bernie versus Claude. Who's the fastest, the smartest, the most reliable? Watch till the end of the video to find out which of these two heavyweights comes out on top. The world of AI is changing rapidly, and every brand, developer, and creator needs the ideal AI assistant. While Bernie and Claude have established themselves as leaders in the field, their philosophies and strengths couldn't be more dissimilar. All right, let's get started. Let's talk about intelligence. Bernie is a powerhouse when it comes to structured data and business-related tasks. Reports, spreadsheets, business analytics. Bernie gets the job done with zero fuss. And then there's Claude, the king of conversational AI. It provides the most natural-sounding text and easily understands complex questions. So, if you need business-related tasks and number crunching, Bernie is the clear winner. But if you need creative writing or dialogue, look no further. Bernie is also lightning fast when it comes to structured instructions. It also works well with large data sets. Claude may be a little slower, but it is also very precise when it comes to context and nuance. It may take a little longer when it comes to complex questions, but it also provides very smart answers. Bernie comes with a user-friendly interface, which makes it easier for a beginner. It also comes with templates. Claude, on the other hand, is a bit more flexible. If you wish to experiment creatively with AI, then Claude is the better option. Bernie. Perfect for businesses, data analysis, finance reports, automated summaries. Claude. Ideal for chatbots, creative writing, customer support, brainstorming ideas. Both of them are versatile. It depends on what you need, speed and structure, or flexibility and creativity. So here's the verdict. Bernie, structured, fast, business-focused. Claude, creative, conversational, nuanced. If you need analytics and efficiency, then Bernie is the better option. If you need a human-like conversation with a dash of creativity, then Claude is the better option. Please comment below which AI you would like to try first. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.